Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy F60 Racky, man. Come back to y'all boys and girls with another POV video. Y'all was messing with the last one in the city, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another one for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoy this one like y'all enjoyed the last one. Y'all went crazy in the last video, bro. That was my first video where like the first 24 hours, I got 1,000 views on it. So I thank y'all for that. And I thank y'all for the ones who liked, comment, and even just viewed the video for as long as they did. So yeah, but other than that, how y'all boys doing, man? I got the 360 camera on, running the 360 camera while we got the GoPro up, and as y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all boys and girls. Pull this out. Let's see. Yes, to connect. Are you gonna connect? No. Yeah. Yeah. No. As y'all can see, I've been getting a few videos. But yeah, y'all see, we got the not dash cam, but we got the 360 cam on right now. Finna go ahead and hit record, and that's on. I'll be getting some TikToks while I'm doing a video, so I'm multitasking right now. I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone, bro. But yeah, hopefully y'all having a good day. If y'all aren't, hopefully my video allows you to have a better day. And there's police somewhere up here. I need to fix this. I don't want to go up here. Yeah, nah, we ain't gonna go that way. If you're gonna get over, then get over. What are you doing? Some people amaze me with their driving skills, bro. Squeaky brakes. There's a new X6 behind me, I think. I don't know, but I'm gonna hit it. Gonna head down this road. Gonna see what we can get ourselves into. Hopefully we find some action. Ain't gonna lie, there's been a lot of police out today though. A lot of police. I've been seeing a few commenters say they mess with the mod discussion goals. So if y'all like it, then I like it. It's a Q50. I almost said 60. She over there vibing out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Going crazy, too crazy. My phone just fell, bruh. Like, I hate when that happens. They need like a designated phone spot, bruh, because these new phones are too big. Like, way too big, bruh. Or I need to like buy something that hold the phone. Something gotta give. People out too. Oh, it's Friday, that's why. Yeah, I'm out here on a Friday night. I might need to go to a part where like there's no people at, cause I don't know if people be drunk doing crazy stuff. But they ain't finna get me with none of that stuff. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not one of those. Jeez. Dang, bruh. But yeah, for the first mods at 10K subs, we get the exhaust and not the intake, but exhaust and secondary downpipes and primary downpipes. Where y'all see what's going on, bruh. Slick should have turned on that street. Ooh, what is this? A McLaren 720S. Don't panic. I ain't getting on the highway. That joint clean though. I give it to him. I should have went that way, bruh. I go back this way, but yeah. Ha ha ha. I really should have went over there, because I barely drive over there, but I know it's worse driving over there than it is over here. Because it's a lot more like, I don't know, bruh. I've been over there. And it's not where you want to be. That's all I'm going to say. Like over there is bearable, but over there is not. No, sir. None of that foolishness going on. Let's look at the 360 cam, bruh. Ain't a lot of this Insta X4, Insta 360 X4. This junk is nice, bro. I was just trying to connect to Bluetooth, like what? What are you doing, bro? Oh, this junk fire, bro. Y'all see that? Like, y'all can't tell me that ain't cool, bro. Look at him. I was trying to see if he was looking. I don't know, bro. Y'all can't tell me that ain't cool, though. If y'all ain't drunk water today, bro, go drink some water, bro. I know a lot of y'all don't be drinking water. So, go drink some water. It's like the best thing for you. One of the best things for you. I ain't gonna tell you what to eat. But eat healthy. But your buddy be drinking some water, bro. Or else. You know what happened after that? If you don't, it's on you, man. Uh-oh. This is not where I want to be. Too many cars. Too many of them. Let me not get too close to this guy right here. This street dangerous too, bro. Don't let it fool you. It looks cool, but got something right here, something right there. One right there. I almost went into it a little bit. Something right there. Y'all can see. I'll see what's going on with the street, bro. Oh, nah. I shouldn't have got over. And there was something right there that I just hit. A bus. Get over, bro. Come on. Dang, bro. This is ridiculous. Do not come here. Or they need to build another street. But it is Friday. It ain't that bad, though. It ain't as bad as it could be. Literally. Ah! Y'all felt what I'm feeling right now, bro? Y'all would be feeling the same way. Saying the same stuff. Nothing but hope. Look at this. Like, what is this, bro? Like, Georgia, fix your roads. They're trash. They're garbage. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, she booming. I have no clue what she was just playing, but it sounded good to her. That junk sounded like gibberish to me. These roads are garbage, bro. I just tried to downshift at 34. Yo, what am I doing? I just had to have a little bit of fun. Had to have a little bit of fun. I can't wait to have downpipes on this thing. It's gonna sound so nice. Downpipes and a full exhaust, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. Uh-oh. Time to disappear. That mean the cops are near. But it's best to stay in traffic, though. I'm gonna just blend in. Put the car in comfort, though. Gotta make sure ain't nobody trying to sneak up on me. What is going on? I just made that whole lane move. Jeez. Move. Y'all heard that, right? Garbage road. Literally. Georgia, y'all know what y'all need to do, bro. Y'all need to stop funding all those police cruisers that just sit around all day. And y'all need to fund these roads, bro. I need to fix these roads. We need to start a movement, bro. Because there should be no reason somebody should have to worry about getting a popped tire and a broken rim every time they hit the city. Better yet, for the people who don't live here and who come here, they just get smacked because they don't know where they are. So, Let's start a movement. Fix these roads, man. The Fix These Roads movement. The Fix These It's like, nah. But nah, for real though, y'all gotta fix these roads, bro. Seriously, please, for Racky. For Racky and Taz, and for all the other BMW drivers. Get off the side of me so I can speed off and cruise off. Oh, hold on. Thank you. Yes, yes, perfect. Yes, sir. Oh, I gotta turn right here too. Go, Mr. Fulton County. I do not have to turn right here at all. Not faster than me. I'm only scared of the G80s, bruh. The tuned G80s on E50. Those are the only things I'm scared of. Y'all got it, bruh. That's probably like 3,800 pounds, 30 or probably like 37. I don't know. I think it's 38 though, but 38 moving that fast. Come on now, bro. Be realistic. Y'all got it. That's all I'm saying. And you got Turbo S. I ain't running no red lights. Not today. Should I have did it though? Nah. I'm good. Yeah, no, we Gucci. Y'all hear the car. Dang, what is that? Oh, another McLaren 720S. Wow, the 720S is out tonight. Like, what is there, like a McLaren meet or something? Is there something I don't know? Please tell me. Please let me know down in the comments below. Is there a McLaren meet? Because I need a McLaren. You guys can deliver it to 123D's Nuts SpongeBob Avenue. Thank you. I think I got enough footage for this 360 camera. Yeah, I ain't going through 21 minutes of footage. I'll tell you that now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Go ahead, god dang on. Wrap it up for this POV vlog, man. That jump was 21 minutes. I just seen the timer. Go ahead and wrap it up for this POV video, man. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed. Y'all boys and girls enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like, smash the subscribe button, and comment down below for interacting with me. I talk back to people. Yes, I'm a small channel. I can do that. But yeah, comment down below to interact with me. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and hopefully you guys have a great day. If you aren't and you're watching this video, hopefully it cheered you up and made your day a lot better. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.